Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the direct and the reverse crank method. For the twin cylinder V engine, the crank position for the primary reverse crank and the secondary direct crank are given in the following diagram. So there are two diagrams are given. The first is primary reverse crank, okay, and the second is secondary direct crank. You must have to focus here. Either it is direct or reverse, okay. Primary reverse, primary direct. We know that there are four diagrams can be possible. The primary direct crank, primary reverse crank, secondary direct crank, and the secondary reverse crank. Okay. So out of four diagrams, out of four situations, only two situations are given. The first is primary reverse crank, and the second is secondary direct crank. Okay. Now we have to calculate the engine is either it is a 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree, and 150 degree. So how can we say this is which type of engine? How can we find out? We all know that the crank is having at a certain angle with the line of stock. This is our line of stock. Okay. So primary direct crank. This is our primary direct crank. If we are able to find out the position of the primary direct crank, then we can say this is 60 degree V engine or 120 degree V engine or 30 degree or whatever. Okay. So we need to calculate the position of the primary direct crank. Okay. Whatever be the position of the primary direct crank, that would be the engine of the same degree. Okay. So here there are two diagrams are given. Either you can use, either you can find out the answer using the first diagram, that is primary reverse crank, or you can find out the answer using second diagram, that is secondary direct crank, or you can find out the answer by using both of them to cross check the final answer whether you are correct or wrong, but it will take a lot of time. So if you can use one of these two diagrams, so it would be easy to find out the answer. So I will use the secondary direct crank because this is direct crank. Okay. So we just have to, we know that what is the difference between primary direct and the secondary direct. The angle is 2 theta in case of secondary direct crank. Okay. If you use the primary reverse crank, you have to change the direction of rotation. Okay. So it may be a little bit complicated, okay. If you want to use this diagram, you can use it. Okay. I'm not going to say anything, but I'm using the second diagram because here i just have to here I just have to change the magnitude of the angle only. Okay. The directions I will not have to change here in case of direct crank. So you need to understand what is important in this diagram. If you carefully see, the angle is measured with the vertical. That is very very important. The time consuming process here to find out the correct answer is the here the angle is measured from the vertical. If you measure angle with the, if you solve this question with the vertical angle, you will get the wrong answer. Okay. Are you getting my point? You will get the wrong answer. So we need to understand the angle is always measured from the inner dead center. Inner dead center means this is the horizontal line, this is our inner dead center. So angle is measured from the inner dead center like that. This is the angle, correct angle for secondary direct crank. We know that this is secondary direct crank, so angle would be 2 theta. Okay, if the theta is the angle, we have assumed that the theta is a primary direct crank. So 2 theta would be the secondary direct crank angle. Okay, so here 2 theta, you can see the diagram, 2 theta is equal to 60 degree because out of 90 degree this angle is 30 degree, so remaining is 60 degree. So you can see here theta would be find out, you can see this is 30 degrees. Okay, so that means the primary direct crank is at an angle 30 degree. That means the angle is 30 degree V engine. So this is very simple question, but this is conceptual question. So the thing is that you have to know that angle is measured from the line of stroke, or always it is measured from the line of stroke. Okay, so this would be the correct answer. Option C would be the correct answer. You can use the primary reverse crank diagram, you will get the same answer. Okay, there will not be any change, or you can cross check using both of the diagrams. So final answer would be 30° V engine. So in this type of questions, the thing is important that you must have to remember all the four conditions. What is the difference among these four situations: primary direct, primary reverse, secondary direct, and secondary reverse? If you are able to recognize the difference between all these four conditions, then you will be able to find out the correct answer. Okay. Otherwise, in these type of questions, the options are very close to each other. If you get the wrong answer will also be in the options. Okay. So once you get the answer, I want you to find out the correct answer. Okay. Because if you get the wrong answer, unfortunately, the wrong answer will also be in the option and you will think that you are correct. Okay. So be careful about this type of question. Okay. So thank you.